So this is how our business class looks like. It feels very comfortable. Now it feels really good. And the good thing is that we have the whole business class to ourselves. Ponds. The food is included into the ticket.
I want some shrimp.
Hi guys, my name is Elisa and right now I arrived to the Futian railway station here in Shenzhen. So we are heading from Futian railway station from Shenzhen to Guangzhou. And we are going on the business class in high-speed train. So I'm very excited for this trip. Let's go with us. This station looks to me more like an airport. For this trip, we traveled from Futian Station, Shenzhen, to Guangzhou East Station by business class high-speed train. The ticket cost 65 Canadian dollars per person, and the journey took just 1 hour and 25 minutes. We arrived to our check-in gate. So it's called on our ticket, let me just tell you, ticket gate number 1. So we arrived and the ticket gate is going to be open just 15 minutes before the train arrival. So we need to wait for 15 minutes and then just go to the train platform. As I already said, this railway station looks to me like an airport. You know, they have everything you need for the comfortable travel. And it's very spacious, air-conditioned, and nice. So let me just show you. They have these kind of stores inside. So this is the check-in gates. They just check all the luggage to make sure that it's safe to get to the train. So also they have the drinking water stations. There are the restrooms, beside the restrooms, so you can just get the free drinking water for you. You just need to have your own bottle. And here is the purified drinking water. They have all kinds of stores like Family Mart. So you can buy anything you like for your trip, different snacks. Yeah, there is also mother and baby room, which is really helpful. Look at this mother and baby room. That's so good. Like changing area. So if you have some time, you can feed your baby here. Wow. To be honest, I haven't seen anything like this. So here you can breastfeed your baby. And the cribs for baby to rest. Wow, that's just great. What a great baby room. And here, oh look, these are the breastfeeding stations. So you don't need to sit on that sofa. You can just go and feel comfortable and just feed your baby inside the breastfeeding station. Wow, that's so good. Wow, guys, that's so good, you know. They really cared about moms and their babies. Very, very well done. Big like. Yeah, they also have the free charging area. So you can charge your devices here at this station. Yeah. Everything is very well organized and clear. You just need to follow the directions and get to your gate and get on your train safely. Number 1. Thank you.
I'm in the train.
Right. Are you a businessman?
I'm a boy.
A boy? But I see you're sitting in the business class. I thought maybe you're a businessman.
Because I'm in the train.
Okay.
Green tea. Green tea.
Thank you.
Thank you. They gave us
green tea.
Yeah, green tea. So they gave us this box. Welcome to the train box. So let's see what's inside. Ooh. They have some snacks here. That's great. Some cookie,
I want to
And-
eat the cookie.
some nuts, and dried beef. Then they have some candy. This is cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. And oh, some peas. Yeah, so many snacks. It's enough for our trip. But the interesting thing is the dried beef for me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Oh yeah, that's much better now.
Thank you.
That's perfect. Thank you. Blanket for warmth.
Good?
Do you need a blanket for
I
warmth?
don't need
Ariane, do you need a blanket?
Yes.
Yeah, one blanket. Wow, that's so cool.
What a great businessman.
Yeah, so they also gave us some bed towels, which is very good. Now, if I want to take out the table, I just need to slide it out like this. Wait, how to do this?
Just fold it.
Ah, this way and this way. Oh, Ariane, here is your blanket. Say thank you, 谢谢.
谢谢。
谢谢. Wow, look, the train is going, Ariane. Say bye-bye, Shenzhen.
Bye bye, Shenzhen.
We are going to Guangzhou.
Bye bye, Shenzhen. We're going to Guangzhou.
Woo! So exciting.
Mom, what is that doing there?
Okay, so you said that you want to lie down? You want to rest? Okay. So let's press the button. Which button? This one? Ah, this one. Okay. So let's press this button. You see? So you can lie down this way. There are 3 positions. You can sit, you can lie down halfway, and you can completely lie down. Okay? I'm gonna make a bed for you. See? It's opening up.
Oh, no, what's that?
It's opening up now. Now it's gonna be a bed. Wow! Is that exciting? Wow! Do you want a blanket?
Yes.
Okay. So let's cover you with a blanket.
Wow.
Where are you going?
I'm going to
Guangzhou.
Guangzhou.
Oh.
Are you excited?
Yes. Bye bye, Shenzhen.
Bye bye, Shinji. So this is how our business class looks like, and this is the seat. So the seat has 3 positions. So the first position, you just sit this way. Then the second position, I'm going to show you now. You just press the button, and you can kind of halfway lie down, halfway sit. Yeah, so you can just rest in this position. And the third position, you just open to completely lie down.
Now to the bottom.
Yeah, it feels very comfortable and very nice. And in case it's your long trip, you can have a comfortable sleep here. Also, let me show you what else we've got here. They give you some slippers. So that's very convenient to have these slippers for your trip. Now it feels really good. And the good thing is that we have the whole business class to ourselves. There is nobody here yet, and that's so good. So here you can get some hot water. So I believe it's just to keep some luggage inside. This is the washroom. This is how the toilet looks. And this is the first class. Here is the first class we have. In the first class you have 2 seats, not 3. And in my other video we were going from Hong Kong to Shenzhen, and we were going in the second class. So there were 3 seats, and I recorded the second class for you, so you can check out one of my previous videos. I believe this is still Shenzhen. So hello, sir.
Hello.
How do you like your business class?
I like it. Really comfortable. Yes.
Looks really good.
Yeah, especially that Ariane is enjoying.
Teacher.
Look at the view.
Where is the teacher?
The teacher? I don't have a teacher. Your mommy is the only teacher in this room.
Fingers.
This
Ponds. There are some ponds.
it's amazing.
Yeah, the view is just very beautiful.
Do you know the speed of the train?
I will check and I'll just say
Well,
voiceover.
193 kilometers per hour.
Oh, yeah. So the speed of the train is 193 kilometers per hour. Wow, look at these buildings. So probably this is still Shenzhen, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the nature is just crazy.
This way.
Faster than that. Bye bye, we are faster than you. Thank you. Just a moment, please. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. So this is pork, right? The food is included into the ticket.
I want some shrimp.
Okay, so this is how it looks. There is some rice,
I want some
vegetables, some
shrimp.
pork.
I want shrimp. I want shrimp.
Yeah, it looks delicious.
I want shrimp. I
There. We've got some rice with shrimp and also some pork. Yeah, looks also very nice. And the carrot like a heart. Looks like a heart. The lunch that they gave us is so delicious. Like the shrimp and the pork, the rice, also some vegetables. It's a little bit spicy, but very, very little. And so good, so delicious. I just love the food so much. Just look, the shrimp Everything is so fresh, warm. Really, the food to me is perfect. Just great, delicious food. So the next station is our station. It's Guangzhou or Guangzhou East Station.
Put this one here.
Sit on my back.
We arrived to the Guangzhou Station, and it's so hot here. But look at this beautiful high-speed train. Now we need to follow, for example, ride hailing. We should go straight. So we can get the taxi, the bus, get to the metro, and the ride hailing car. This means Didi, right? So let's go to get Didi to our hotel. I'm so excited to go to our hotel.